If making $10,000 a month over the internet has only been a dream of yours, then watch this video. If not, you should probably skip it. Now, the reason why I come out with such a bold statement is because with the internet the way it is, earning that money, I'm not going to say is easy, but the process is easy. The business model that I'm going to show you in this video is time tested, is not saturated, and it won't take a ton of tech experience. And the biggest misconception about starting a business is that you're going to need a boatload of capital. So allow me to prove to you in this video why this business model is the best business model to start now, tomorrow, and forever. My name is James Bondies, and I've been working with local businesses since 2014, helping them get more leads and customers. We act as the bridge to local businesses. Now, a lot of people may say, oh, SMMA, right? The way we teach this business model could be utilizing social media. It could be utilizing Google and Facebook, and it could be just helping businesses get more reviews. See, starting a social media marketing agency is pigeonholing many people into believing that the only way to generate leads is via Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. But local businesses can utilize much better ways to get more leads and customers, but the problem is they don't know how to do it, and that's where we come in. I've been teaching this business model for 7 years and have taught over 7,000 people to run this business. People like Armando, who in 3 days landed his second client going through this challenge. Now, before you click off this video, there's going to be nothing for sale here. This is going to be purely for free. The same way that Armando learned for free how to generate leads for businesses and landed 2 clients in 3 days. The same way that Logan Shipley learned this business model and helped a business earn $1.7 million in 60 days. The same way that this student learned this business model and generated 514 leads in 7 days for his client. The same way this student learned this business model and hit $10,000 a month, and this student hit $10,000 a month, and this student hit their first client. See, we do hear all over the internet, and the gurus especially, that pot at the rainbow, $10,000 a month. But in order to get to 10, you have to start with your first few dollars. And that's why in this video, I'm going to offer you something simply by going to my YouTube channel, clicking the playlists button and clicking the playlist that says land your first SMMA client masterclass. That will bring you up to a series of 7 videos that are going to be free for you just by going to my YouTube channel. Those 7 videos was a challenge that I ran in the beginning of 2024. We had 600 people sign up for that challenge and hundreds that actually got through the challenge, and we had a ton of success with it. So I'm offering it to you for free to show my value to the marketplace. The last thing that I want to do is ask you to reach into your pocket to learn the foundations of this. Everything in this masterclass will teach you from very beginner of this business to becoming an expert in terms of how to run the business. Obviously, this is going to take work and practice. I'm not here to promise you the world. Matter of fact, all the case studies that I showed you on this video are only for educational purposes, only to share with you what is possible. And there's no guarantee of income, even if you go and watch all those free videos. Action is always the missing piece that people forget about. See, we live in a world where gurus jump from shiny object to shiny objects and then get a little success and think that they can go and teach it. And that's why I'm here to humbly tell you that I've been doing this, the same thing, the same business model for 7+ years and will continue to do it. But the point of this is to share with you that the reason why everybody fails with these online businesses is because they're jumping from one thing to another. So if you want to build a sustainable business that will never be saturated, it doesn't take a ton of technology, that won't always force you to learn new different things, and something that is grounded foundationally in the well-being of local businesses so you can sustain it now and forever in the future as long as you feel like it, then go and click somewhere on this video, head over to my YouTube channel, click the playlist button, and click that land your first SMMA client masterclass. You'll learn the foundations there. And then if you're interested in more handholding, there'll always be options for that as well. But I at least want to show value to you before I ever even ask you to reach into your pocket. And then the only thing that I ask in return is on those videos, just comment if you think that they were valuable. Thanks a lot. Talk soon, and go visit my YouTube channel. In the next few minutes, I want to share with this is one of those turning points that you've heard me talk about so many times on this YouTube channel. The times where